Oh, are they? They're doing the previously thing. Oh, do it again. Previously.
In the nighttime.
It has to be like -5 degrees because it's fucking cold. I'm not even trying to vlog, to be honest. But I really like you. So I'm gonna vlog for you. Anyways, we're headed to Mission Beach House. We are in Revere. Huh? Oh, it's cold. I'm calling him Cameron today. You can see why. If you don't know why, go look up why. Anyways, I'm kind of hangry. Let's do a montage of the food and the place.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, jumping up in the stage. In Italy, got 2 foreign hoes, they be on me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me. I saw my nigga, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that fucked in the bed don't say nothing. Them niggas will kill for me. Back as I can in my sleep, on fleek. And they can spit on that patty for me.
So we finished our lunch. We are now heading to Starbucks because I'm gonna buy Zaddy, my birthday Zaddy, a little pastry, and I need coffee. I need caffeine, real bad. Hi, good, how are you? Should we try something new today? Toasted vanilla. Actually, I think I've had both of these. Can I just have a bite of yours? Cause like, I'm like pretty full though. Really? It's a nice little ting-ting out here. It's a nice little ting-ting. Oh yeah. They have so much more pastries than the Boston one. We're getting that. Put some respect on my name. Hey boo. So we just finished eating at Mission Beach, and I would give it. It wasn't too crazy. It was good though. Definitely satisfied my craving. I'm gonna go back in here because it's cold. But yeah, so it was okay, not crazy. I would say like an 8 out of 10. And then of course, honestly though, one of my goals for this year is to stop going to Starbucks so much because, come on now, I need to start supporting more local coffee shops. Hold up, is that him? That is him. Oh yeah, straight up like valet. Let me get back in sight, period. My man. Yeah, because my man treat me like the queen that I am. Y'all liked how that rhymed, right? Okay, so back home we go. We miss our daughter. Super mucho.
I really do.
No,
miss
same.
the little girl, man.
Same.
But for them, that's why, like, we could like chill more, but I'm like, nah, bro. I want to see her. I really want to like.
It's time for her to show you the birthday love you deserve. Yep. This baby here, bro. But ignore the baby here. Hey guys! Oh my god, I forgot to vlog. We never went to the birthday dinner because it snowed, and then it stopped snowing, and then it snowed and we wanted to go again, and then we worked. So it's like, yeah, we just finna do something at the house tonight. So right now we're just getting cake. Okay, so we're gonna do red velvet and cookies and cream. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Sing, Happy birthday.
He said, I don't think so, and he keeps cutting it.
Wait. Want to eat it? Yeah. You can eat it.
Don't let it fall on me. Welcome back. You know you like that. Okay, first of all, yeah. Okay, first of all, hi. Oh my god, it's been such a long time no see. What have I been up to? This month will be a month of catching up and focusing back on YouTube. I haven't fell off, thank God, because I can post my shorts, TikToks, whatever you call it, on here, so that does help a bunch. But I want to get back to doing some helpful, informative videos, and of course living my best life and vlogging that. So if you do have any suggestions or anything that you would like me to speak about, let me know. But I am also going to be taking out my red hair to wash my hair tonight, so I will be MIA for like a few days, because yeah, that's a process. Anyways, I'm just babbling. I just want to show you guys my makeup because it came out really nice, and I really feel like I've been getting better, honestly, and I don't know if it's because of my skincare. I don't know if it's my consistency or the techniques. I don't know, but your sis is eating it up. Excuse me, like the brows. Yeah, Kat did that. I'm gonna have her handle on the screen. If you are in the Boston area, need to get your brows laminated or tinted, or both. So yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.
Hopefully,
Look at this
I can
shit, bro.
convince Leia to get a pic for me.
That's
For my
terrible.
thumbnail, but we'll see.
And then I wonder why my hair is breaking, because you ain't trim your hair in over a year. I'm sick of myself.
I bought the frog and leap. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she Chris Jenner. I used to break in the ammo, then take her running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama said she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a minor symbol, walking with the rats, I'm looking crazy.
Stop playing with them, Brian.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like. Nah, let's keep it a beam. Wanna be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what I'm seeing. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. When niggas that's toting the beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass me like that on me. Better speak about you, shitting me. If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, they's not breathing. Thumb in a check, building demons. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like. Tell my body I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You want my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Tell my body I get what I want, like.
Where's this lady at? I know she did not leave me, child. The baby hairs look kind of crazy, but you know what it looked like last night, okay? Anyways, I just... Look at these glasses, bro. These are roll-up glasses. Anyways. I hope you guys can hear me, actually. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Now she went to go get Chinese food. Don't leave me stranded to get something that's not even healthy to begin with. You'll be forgetting. It's summertime. It's springtime. I'm trying to get snatched.
5 minutes later.
I'll take the plate. You take that. Bon vie de pam. Okay. My pom please Julia après. Wagwan my youth. Yeah, I tried. I just went to my hair is so like like come on, bro. Like I have a headache. Because every time I eat, my gums start aching, my teeth start killing me, and it's been like this for almost a week. I remember I was in my last video saying how these Invisalign trays don't hurt like that, and I compared it to braces pain, but girl, I am in so much pain right now. Like, talking and eating gives me a headache. It's bad. And because of the eye dilation, they did say my eyes are going to be super sensitive to light, and like literally my phone hurts. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break, you break. I'm gonna take a nap, okay? Because I slept late, woke up early. That's not healthy. So I just have to tough it out for an hour so that I can nap with baby girl. But anyways, yeah, let's just touch base later because talking is hurting.
That top, like,
all that pain is finally paying off. The blue cheese is horrendous. I cannot.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner.
Welcome back. What's popping? I don't know what's going on, but it doesn't matter because we're going to fix it later. These curls, this is from yesterday, and this is not from the heatless curls that everyone has now. This is just because the hair can hold a curl. This is crazy to me. Honestly, if you need good hair, hit up my girl. The quality is just it. Like, it's doing it for me. It's doing it. I'm in so much pain because I have cramps, but I'm trying to go convince myself to do like a little home workout or something, or some type of exercise because they say it helps with your cramps. So we're gonna try to do that and be active. I have some Celsius. This is the peach vibe. I love this flavor. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys later when I'm done getting ready.
And it's slow wine. One time in I need to, 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 I need to hold a corner, and it's so wide. One time, I need to hold a corner.
Excited? Yeah. Sounds scary in there. Baby girl, we're gonna see the dinosaurs soon. The dinosaurs.
What is it, girl?
Is she leaving us too?
No, she's trying to leave the soldiers away from us. Round them up and meet me at the rendezvous point. Dr. Walker.
Everybody freeze! She came back!
Stay surprised.
Cali thing. I'm telling the vloggers. People don't know nothing about that. Okay, slow down, mama. Slow down. One at a time. Guys, I just feel like people have been trying me a lot lately. That's why I haven't really been vlogging, because why we just love TJ Maxx and we're the only ones in line. 3 of us. Loud as Nene too. So it's like, you can't miss us. And you're closing. We're the only ones standing here. And then as soon as this white lady steps into the line, an Asian lady just calls her next. None of them bother to make eye contact because they know it's effing wrong. But yet the cashier who ended up taking us and another customer both looked at us because they were like, oh shoot. Like, I really wanted to pop off, but there's a lot of times where I just don't pop off because...
Mommy!
Yes?
Mommy.
Yes. Really? I know it's for you, but when we get home. So yeah, y'all probably not gonna see me vlog until next weekend. Because this weekend is just not it. Your girl's on that time of month, and I just really feel like kissing somebody else, so...